What's up, everybody? My name's ErRenee. Thanks for watching my channel today. I am going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for October. And if you haven't tried out the Allure Beauty Box yet, I definitely recommend it. It's only $20, but it comes with all specialty items picked by the Allure Beauty editors. And that's why I really like it, because the beauty editors know what they're talking about. It's their job to test and research and rate these products, so you know you're only going to get the very best products that they make out there. So these are mostly sample sizes. Sometimes you get a full-size product in the Allure Beauty Box, but we'll just have to see what's in here. So let's just get to it. This is the Allure Beauty Box for October, and like I said in my last video, I absolutely love the box design. It is beautiful. The first Allure Beauty Box unboxing I did was just a basic cardboard box like many of the others, but this one is gorgeous. It's got the lid and the branding on top, and I love the branding. It's Allure and it's all shiny. Love that. But when you open up the box, the first thing that comes out is the pamphlet outlining all the products in here. It also gives reviews from the beauty editors themselves, what they think of the product, which is really cool. But not only that, you get a coupon code that you can use for these products on their actual website. So that's almost a better deal than the $20 samples and full-size products that you get. You also get discount codes. So hold on to these when you get your box. So if you fall in love with any of these products, then you can absolutely go back and order more for a discounted price. So yeah, this is the box. It has the red tissue paper, which I love. That's so clean for packaging. And I love it when the packaging is pretty. It makes you feel like you're getting a gift in the mail every month. And that's why I really love Allure Beauty Box. And look at that, they give me another discount code coupon for Gorjana jewelry, $20 off. So that's a bonus item. First things first. Okay, first I'm going to get the Lumify eye drops out. These I've been using. These were recommended to me by my good friend. And you know what? They're like the best eye drops out there. They take away all the dryness and redness in your eyes. I don't know if you use eye drops a lot. Maybe you smoke a lot and you need to use eye drops when you go to work. I don't know, but Lumify is really worth the price. And I'm surprised that they put this sample product in there, because Lumify is kind of an expensive eye drop, but it's definitely worth it. I really like Lumify. These are incredible eye drops. I'm going to hold on to that because they work, and why waste time on something that doesn't work? Anyway, the next thing I'm gonna get out, I'm just gonna cut to the chase and get to the best products in here because, well, they're all good, but look, Bum Bum Cream. This is like such a rave product now. Everybody has been dying about the Bum Bum Cream, and I have never tried it, but I've read a lot about it. My friends absolutely adore it. She's gonna freak out when she sees that I got this in my Allure Beauty Box. But you know what people love about the Bum Bum Cream? Is its unique smell. Oh my gosh, and it just opened up and exploded all over me. Oh, and the smell is one of a kind. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put this on right now because it just like shot out of the safety seal all over my hand. Bum Bum Cream, you guys. It's so hard to describe that scent. It's like so clean and coconutty and like paradise in your hands. And actually it's really feels lightweight and moisturizing. I am so glad they sent me some Bum Bum Cream in my box. Yay! I love that. What's next? Oh, So y'all, this is Sunday Riley. Can you believe they put Sunday Riley in the beauty box? This is Ceramide Moisturizing Cream, and Sunday Riley is like a classic beauty product, and it's probably one of the best facial moisturizer product companies that I've tried. They also have a lot of different products to help with aging and fine lines and luminosity, and I'm not sure exactly what this one is directed towards, but again, this is a very expensive product that is hard to get. And you can't get it at every department store. Actually, you can't get it at any department store. You have to go to Ulta or to Sephora to buy Sunday Riley. And we got it in a box. All right. So I'm just going to keep going right through here because these are some phenomenal products. That's why I love Allure Beauty. You guys need to get on this. So if you know me, you know I love to take baths. It's like my favorite me time. It's when I pamper myself and relax and de-stress from the day. It's like my favorite me time, self-love thing to do. So they sent me mineral bath salts, and these are made with valerian and hops. And I don't know what hops do therapeutically for you. I know that they make great beer, and they are one of really cool plant family. But valerian, I do know, is very, very healthy herb for you. And it's good for your skin, and it's good for detoxing your body. So this is a nice product. It's from Kneipp, Nature's Expert, Kneipp Works, valerian and hops, essential oils. It says it's vegan on there. Add to your bath. No preservatives, no paraffin, silicone, or mineral oils. So that's cool. And let's see what else it says. It's free of chemical additives and environmental influences, and it contains natural trace elements. So I'm assuming this is a mostly natural product that's going to leave a little bit of residue in your bath, but who cares, right? If it's good for you and it smells good, I'm excited to try that. I love the bath salts. I'm a bath salt person over bath bubbles. I'd rather have the salts with the therapeutic benefits than to soak in a bunch of study bubbles. Anyway, bath salts, that's awesome. What's next in here? This is another facial product. It is a 1 minute, 1-step exfoliating facial peel by M16. Powerful skincare. Again, paraben free, synthetic fragrance free, dermatologist tested, allergy tested, and there are 3 treatments in here. So that's really nice. So you can try it 3 different times. It says it's made with vitamin K, bilberry, and chamomile. Chamomile is also really good for your skin. It's put in a lot of salves and a lot of lotions because it helps take down the bumps and the dryness and the discoloration in your skin. I love chamomile. It says bilberry extract helps promote an even skin tone, while chamomile and lavender assist in calming and soothing irritation. So that's fun. We'll try that on my face later. PowerGlow Peel by M16. Powerful skincare. So the last 2 items are makeup. We got all the skincare items and eye drops, and this says it is Metallic Eyeshadow Trio by Model Co. I can't wait to see what these colors are. This is the first time I've got an eyeshadow palette out of the Allure Beauty box, so this is kind of fun. I like that it's tiny, it's travel size. And wow, there are 3 colors in there. The shade says it's Saint Tropez. And those are my colors, you guys. Talk about browns and golds. They're perfect. I love those metallic brown and gold colors for my eyelid. That's so pretty. I'm going to be using that this fall. They're like the perfect fall tones. And it'll match my hair. So that's an awesome deal. Model Co. Saint Tropez. I love it. All right, down to the last thing in the box. The very last product in here is more eyeshadow by the same company, Model Co. It says Eyelites Granite Metallic Eyeshadow. So I'm going to test this out, do a little sample of it, and I'm hoping it's cream eyeshadow. It is. Oh my gosh. And that is Rockstar Black with metallic silver glitter. Look at that cream eyeshadow. Oh, it's going to be perfect for like going to a rock show or a concert or dressing up your Halloween costume. These are fun fall colors. I am so happy they sent me this stuff. So let me see if you can zoom in on that. What color did this say this was again? Granite. It does look like granite. And it's not quite dry yet, but it's not smudging too much. Yeah, it doesn't smudge too bad when it dries, but I'll blur it in. It looks like when you blur it out, it's going to be a little bit more gray, but there's still a really lot of shimmer in there, a lot of silver glitter. So I love that for cream eyeshadow, putting metallics on your eyelids. It's going to make a smoky eye really easy to do, and I'm not going to try it on today, but I will be using that in the future. So rating of the Allure Beauty Box, since they sent me the Sunday Riley and the Bum Bum Cream, this is probably my favorite thing in here, is the Bum Bum Cream. The Sunday Riley, Bum Bum Cream, Lumify eye drops. These are all things that people have been talking about for months. They're great products. And I love that they put them all in a box for everybody to try out in case you haven't heard of these products. I haven't heard of Model Co, but I love the colors already, and I'm looking forward to finding out about how those eyeshadows last and if there's any fallout on them when I try it out, along with these products. Definitely looking forward to some self-care time to try out these babies. Overall, I think this box is a 10 out of a 10. I love the October Beauty Box by Allure. It is definitely blowing me away with all the cool stuff in here. So you've got my recommendation on this, you guys. Go out and order your Allure Beauty Box. It's $19.99. You don't pay shipping and handling, and it's shipped once a month to your door. So check it out. Go online, order up the Allure Beauty Box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.